Alright guys, for those watching on Toasty Clips, what's up? What we have right here is a good PC build inside the H5 Flow. We've been doing a lot of NZXT builds recently. We have the Ryzen 7 5700X, 8-core 16-thread, using the ASRock X570 Phantom Gaming motherboard. We also have 32 gigs of Corsair Vengeance LPX memory, 3200 megahertz. We are rocking the AMD RX 6700 XT. We have a Crucial P3 Plus 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, a Seagotep 750 watt power supply, 80 plus gold, ATX 3.0 ready, and yeah, the H5 Flow, along with a V-True AIO and V-True RGB fans.
Yeah,
this is the Flow.
This one's cool. We're saving a little bit of money by, I know the last one we did was the, I guess it was the Elite.
Yes.
Because it came with the NZXT fans, which those obviously cost a lot. Thank you to Nosy. And then we used that, I think that Kraken cooler was like $180. So this one's nice because all in for our RGB and our V-True, yeah, we're spending $90. So yeah, this one would be $1,300 at PC Bros.
This one's going straight to the website, so it is available for purchase.
This one's really well balanced too. I know we did that one the other day with like the 5600 and the 6800. This one's better CPU, slightly worse for GPU. So it makes a little more sense.
What's up, Kid Drift? How you doing?
Kid Rock.
Kid Rock? I feel like you ask this question every single stream. Yes, this PC will run War Thunder.
I think that's just this thing.
Your thing, just making sure every PC can run War Thunder. If not, it's not.
I'm waiting for the day that we say no. Like, what PC will that be?
Well, we have done some freaky builds. Can it run Raid Shadow Legends? Of course it can. Our favorite sponsor.
That right there is a question.
It's been a little bit. I need them to hit me up again. I say PC Bros. This one will be 1,300 buckaroos. Great performance. What parts can you acquire or use to cut down on cost? It really depends. We don't like to get a bunch of stuff used because that's more liability on us, because we have to honor a 1-year warranty, and used stuff just, honestly, you know, there's a chance it could fail. Yeah. So we limit the amount of used stuff we get. We do get deals every so often on trade-in and whatnot, but for the most part, everything we try to do is new, and then we'll mix in like GPUs here and there that we get on a good price. We refurb up, make sure they're good. Yeah, there's a lot of work involved in that.
What games have you been playing? You been playing Fortnite, bro?
You've still been playing Fortnite?
Do you still go...
Props to you if you're still playing Fortnite.
But how could mold kill us if we eat cheese? I just remember like he just made it hilarious with the sounds he was making. He never really talked, he just made sounds.
Oh, it was because of my curly hair. They said I had ramen hair, so we made the ramen emote. Yes, I remember now.
It's weird having another curly hair person in here.
Yeah.
Did you feel like you need to fight him? Survival of the fittest.
No, I keep my hair short enough now where I don't really like think of it as being as curly as it once was. Curly.
Yeah, when Jonas gets long, it seems like his goes pretty crazy. Oh, I forgot today literally is a bones day.
It is a bones day.
I don't know. I mean, well, it's one of those things where I think someone will always not mind sitting out or playing something different. McAllister. Well, I mean, I would say, to be fair, on top of that, it's not like they could. We could be more strict because they literally play balloons with us and then play TFT. So we could tell. That might actually be a perfect storm. We tell McAllister and Zach to play TFT, and we'll play balloons.
That's cool. What's up, Jack? I'm at very good PC building. Hello, Blaze. How you doing? Was good.
Mac and Blaze.
So, are you ready to deal with Amazon returns?
She already has to.
Next time we can't say there is no.
Your CPU in Gen 4, you can have a Gen 4 NVMe, and your graphics card PCIe lane would be also Gen 4, so you'd reap all the benefits. That would be the perfect upgrade if you could. Otherwise, just do the 4070 and see how you like it. I definitely think you'll see a big improvement, but I think you could see a lot more improvement if you do both at the same time. It doesn't hurt the wallet as much.
I feel that's bad.
That's why I usually don't ever really like buying the top of the line anything. Because like you already know what's going to happen. Within like, 1 week, a month, a year, that they're going to come out with the next top of the line thing, and it makes the one that you bought. Like, I always feel like mid-range stuff decreases value a lot lesser, like mid-range and low-end, than high-end. High-end decreases like percentage-wise the most. And that's all because the 4070 Ti, was better than it was like 3090 Ti or slightly better level, and it came out, Speaking of that, I need to text, I still have not even talked to our one guy next door.
Oh yeah.
I need to see how he's doing, and if he needs anything else, or if he has any comments or concerns,
This one is not for a video. Normally a good sign to see if this is going to be for a video, the camera would be like in the corner and you'll see a camera recording this. This is just going to be sold at PC Bros.
PCBrothers.tech.
And if it looks like you're new here, a big B.
No, yeah, even though we lose money with the firm, but you know, whatever. We just want you to be happy, you know?
We want you to be happy. This is a good beginner PC. This would be a very good beginner PC, but it really depends on what you define as a beginner. Because for the most part, beginner doesn't really have to be the budget unless you just want to get something that you want to get into without breaking the bank. I mean, there's a lot of people who get their first gaming PC after being on a console and spend thousands of dollars on a high-end gaming PC.
Happy Fin Jedi became mod. Why do you want it so bad? Absolutely, you know, like I'm
He
curious.
was chaos.
Yeah, do you guys have like a pact together? Will something happen if we make him mod? I'm scared that he'll like take over. Like he'll find a way to like own the channel within a week. I've always felt like In Jedi has a little bit of like the Joker, a little bit of the Joker side, and we're just like, we all just need a little bit of chaos. You should never judge a book by its cover.
I swear, it's not that big of a deal. I like being here regardless.
So what thumbnails are you working on? Is it for the videos you already have, or did you do some new ones? Sorry, I'm not caught up, dude. Matt and I haven't binged all your videos just yet.
Not yet. It's happening though. It's happening during the meeting.
We're gonna have an office watch party. We're gonna throw you up on the projector. What is this camera view? OnlyFans channel now? Which camera view? Oh, is it just Matt's back? Oh God, if you need someone forklift certified. I knew you've been in here this whole time wanting to say that. I'll tell you what, those forklift certified guys are built different. All right, chat, what do you think? Do this PC work or do that not work?
Do that.
Fans are RGB, let's go. Oh, you know, I almost forgot. This is that scary adapter for that monitor out there.
Oh yeah.
You know, Hunter.
Does it expire?
It does. Hunter's forklift certified. Well, he was forklift certified. I don't know how. If they saw his forklift track record.
There she is on demo mode.
How's it demo mode? I wonder if it. Oh, you know what?
Use the remote.
Yeah, I think it might be set.
This is the AMD themed PC. You're welcome.
It is. It's all AMD'd out. Yep, $1,300. We got the 5700X, the 6700 XT, an X570 Phantom Gaming, a Crucial P3 Plus 1TB Gen 4, Corsair Vengeance LPX 32 gigs, 3200 MHz RAM, Seagotech 750W 80 plus gold, and it's ATX 3.0 for those new GPUs. VTrue V240 ARGB AIO, 3-pack of ARGB VTrue fans, and this is the NZXT H5 Flow.